Good morning and welcome to Eden Prairie. This is a deck improvement project that Authority Fence and Deck did down here for the Northmark Townhome Association. We took off about 48 wood decks and gave these homeowners nice AZEK deck floor and Railcraft mid-rail 42-inch high commercial. Deck is maintenance free, done once and done correctly in our opinion. Use 6x6 posts, 2x10 framing. I hope this comes through for you so you can see it. These decks were built through the wall, and we separated them from the wall and fixed it up. And basically Raptor and AZEK to give it a maintenance-free look. So, Eden Prairie, Minnesota Preserve Court. Would encourage you to stop and take a look. I'm going to stop this video and then I'll go grab a picture of what they looked like here before we clean them up.